Hey guys, if you don't know me, this is Lima One, and I am, I work online as a freelancer and blogger and of course a digital marketer. So this is what I would want to show you guys that how I make 1,67,682 PKR with just one project. You can see the potential of working online is so high, so that's why I would want to share this experience with you, like how I made this and how you can make this amount. So on Upwork. So I'm basically working on Upwork, and of course I do work locally. I do find clients locally as well, and yes. So, three things to know about this. How I really make, that much amount on a break with just, with just one project. So these are the three things that you should, that you should know about, and you should learn these three things. So first thing first, I'll learn proposal writing, learn how to find client and pitch and close them. Here you can see these are the three things which is important to learn when you're starting out on a break. And here you can see, let me share this. This was the project I have done in, like, i guess I guess a year ago, or yeah, in 2024. But yes, I'm making this video because I have started the YouTube channel right now because I thought that I should share some of the experience that um I get. So yeah, this was the project on supplement niche. So it was like I got have to so this was my client, and yeah, I cannot. So yeah, here you can see the product. Oh, sorry, the project was about writing product description for 35 products, on supplement niches. So this was the detailed, of the project that me and the client have discussed. So this was it. So these are the three things I want to tell you guys that learned proposal writing. So I just make a detailed course on this because most of you guys are asking that where to learn proposal writing, and what are the key factors to learn, what are the key factors that clients see in order to close them. So here you can see I have made this two. I guess this is a 2 or more than 2 hour on demand videos, right? So this is a detail oriented course for those who want to learn how to, these are the see where you will learn. And this, in this whole guide, you will learn each and everything about how you can write proposal writing and what is actual proposal writing. If once you learn this, you will eventually close more clients with time. But first, you have to learn each and everything about this. So the second thing is, I will drop the the description, the link in the description of this video, so you just you can check out. Moving forward again on the slides, here you can see learn where to find clients and pitch. So this is the second thing which is very important, when you're finding when when you start as a freelancer. So most of the people are curious about how they can find clients and how they can actually pitch. So again, I would say this is the guide that I have made, which is important. This is just a $20 guide. You can invest in yourself so that you can make a difference. So close them. The third thing is close them. And again, I recommend this. There are if you check out my profile on Udemy, you will eventually find lots of courses here. I just make them because this is a free one. You can check out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say this video is about this, and uh, hope you like it. Hope you understand that what is the potential of working online or working as working on Upwork. So that's pretty much it. So see you in the next week.